Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true pre-war American classic, the 1940 Nash Ambassador Six. Known for its bold design, innovative features, and smooth performance, this car was one of the standout full-size sedans of its era. Let's take a closer look at what made the 1940 Ambassador Six such a remarkable piece of automotive history. Exterior. The exterior of the 1940 Nash Ambassador Six is a beautiful blend of Art Deco styling and aerodynamic efficiency. Its front end is dominated by a tall, vertical chrome grille that tapers slightly towards the bottom, flanked by rounded headlamps integrated into the fenders, a design that was quite advanced for its time. The long, sweeping fenders and flowing body lines give the car a sense of elegance and motion, even when standing still. The car's body is slightly more streamlined than many of its contemporaries, reducing wind resistance and giving it a modern feel for the 1940s. Many models featured two-tone paint schemes, accentuating the curves and contours of the car. White-wall tires, full chrome hubcaps, and the Ambassador badge proudly displayed on the hood and trunk added to its upscale presence. Interior. Moving to the interior, the Nash Ambassador Six was designed with comfort and luxury in mind. Inside, you're greeted with a spacious cabin that could comfortably seat 5 to 6 passengers. The dashboard was crafted with symmetrical styling, featuring large, easy-to-read gauges and chrome accents that reflected the elegance of the era. Upholstery was typically high-quality cloth or leather, depending on the trim level, and the seats were well cushioned for long-distance comfort. The car also featured plenty of headroom and legroom, making it ideal for families or executives. One of Nash's hallmarks was its dedication to passenger comfort, and this model offered a quiet, refined ride thanks to superior sound insulation and thoughtful interior design. Performance. Under the hood, the performance of the 1940 Nash Ambassador Six came from a reliable and smooth inline-six engine. This 234 cubic inch L-head six-cylinder engine produced around 105 horsepower, which was respectable for the time. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it delivered a comfortable and steady driving experience, whether cruising through city streets or on open highways. The car's suspension system, with coil springs at the front and a solid rear axle, provided a smooth ride, and hydraulic drum brakes ensured reliable stopping power. While it wasn't a performance car by modern standards, the Ambassador Six was designed to prioritize smoothness and dependability over speed, making it a favorite among families and business professionals. In conclusion, the 1940 Nash Ambassador Six stands as a testament to pre-war American automotive ingenuity. With its sleek Art Deco design, comfortable interior, and dependable six-cylinder engine, it was a car that combined style and practicality in equal measure. Today, it remains a cherished collector's item, admired for its craftsmanship and timeless appeal. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1940 Nash Ambassador Six, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more classic car stories. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this elegant pre-war cruiser for a weekend drive?